Hi, and welcome to Voice with Julia in day 117 of our Marchesi Vocal Challenge. Today, we are going to be diving into exercises 171 and 172.
Voice with Julia, change your voice, change your life.
So what I like about these two exercises is this is taking you through what I call the grand arpeggio, which goes up to our full 2 octaves and back down. And also on 172, we're doing more descending patterns. So this is going to be fun, and there's a little bit of different rhythm depending on how many notes are in the arpeggio, but you can just follow along and see where we go from there. And here is exercise 171. Now the grand 2 octave, right? See, that is not so bad, and it's actually very fun. I love it. I love it. Okay, and now let us move on to exercise 172. So exercise 172, we start here on the top note. Da, 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 da. And it's not just a straight descending pattern, right? So you've got to notice that. We've got this. Then we start on the next one. Okay, so did you notice that one? Da, 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 da. But we're still only building with scale degrees. At least let me just double check. Yeah, we're still only building with scale degrees 1, 3, and 5, okay? So now we've got that one was tricky, okay? So let's try that one again. Okay, and now here we have our onset on the top 2 octaves, then da 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 da. Okay, so let's try this one. Just wanted to make sure I knew where I was going before we try the high one. Okay, so we've got so we could start to take this a little bit faster, and we could do that was a little bit out of tune. So see, I would not want to take this faster until I could really get in tune, okay? So it seems where I'm having trouble are these jumps from the F sharp to the D sharp and then from the D sharp to the B. So those need to be a little bit better tuned before I can take that faster. So I would challenge you to kind of work in the same way on this one as well.